So listen, not all copper mugs are actually copper. The brand did send this out to me to test out and to provide my honest feedback. All opinions are my own. So before you buy any copper mugs on Amazon, I know that one of the first things we do is read through the reviews to see, are these really copper or are they copper plated? I'm going to test it out using a couple of different methods just to see if this is truly copper. But just so you know what to expect in the package, you will, in this set, get 2 mugs. You'll also get 2 straws, a cleaning brush, and then you'll also get that jigger that's sitting back there. So one of the first things that I did was I wanted to use a magnet to see if the magnet would stick to the cup, because theoretically a magnet should not be sticking to copper. If you are able to see it, the handle actually looks a bit more golden than the copper, and that's not uncommon to have a non-copper handle, but I did notice a slight magnetic attraction to the handle, but I did not notice one at all on the cup itself. So to me, that means that this at least has some sort of copper element to it, even if we can't prove that it's 100% pure copper. I mean, I have no way of knowing that, but I know that this magnet isn't sticking to it, so that's a good sign. Like I said, the magnet did slightly attract to the handle. The other thing I wanted to test was how much does it weigh, because you know copper is typically super heavy. So this cup weighed in at 5.4 ounces, so it's not a super heavy bar grade mug, but overall it still feels pretty solid. Now, if you do decide to follow through and get a set, just remember you shouldn't be soaking these cups, no abrasive scrubbing, and no hot beverages. So at this price point, I do feel like it's a great option, and they're great looking mugs. I just advise to follow the instructions that they give so that it won't tarnish.